Here with the 2009 Ford Crown Victoria with the 4.6 liter V8 engine, and this will be a quick reference video for replacing the spark plugs on this vehicle, so let's get started. So I'm going to start by removing the negative battery terminal to ensure that everything is switched off and unable to function while I work. The 4 plugs on the driver's side are exposed and easy to get to, but to access all 4 plugs on the driver's side, you'll need to remove this air intake tube. This connection has a tab that you push down and then it pulls straight out, and you'll need an 8mm socket or a flathead screwdriver to loosen the hose clamps. I'm just going to twist this so it's out of the way, and now we have access to all 4 plugs. Each coil pack has the same connection. You just push in on the tab and pull outward for removal. Each coil pack is held in place with a 7mm screw, and the ones in the back can be tricky to get to, so I'm using this 1/4" drive flex socket to make things easier. I'll leave a link to the full set in the description below. With the coil packs removed, you'll need a 5/8 spark plug socket, and I'm using these extensions that allow your socket to flex so I can work around the fuel rail. And if you press firmly on the socket, it can even go straight just like a regular extension. The new spark plugs are Motorcraft part number AGSF32N and come pre-gap to 0.054. Moving on to the passenger side, it's done the exact same way. Remove the 4 7mm screws, coils, and spark plugs, and using the tools I showed you in this video only make the job easier. So until next time, y'all stay tuned.